everybody. Today we're going to do section 7.4, and this is subtracting linear expressions. And the subtracting part has a little bit of a trick to it, so we're going to do some now in the video, and then do a bunch in class. So part 1, this says part 1, subtracting linear expressions. Please write down that problem, and then what I'm going to do is teach you two different ways. You could decide which way you like better, and then go from there. So from this problem, let's get a pen to write with here. We have 4x plus 5, this linear expression, minus 2x plus 3. You're going to read the word subtract every time you do it. You're going to put together like terms. 4x and the 2x are like terms. So you're going to do 4x minus 2x. 4x take away 2x is 2x. And then you have a positive 5 minus a positive 3. So you should think in your head 5 minus 3 is 2, a positive 2, so you write plus 2. Okay, so that's what I mean by read the subtract. Every time you say this, you have to say this, the subtract, and then you subtract it over on whatever the number is there. This one's a neater one because there are no other negatives. The only sign that you have a subtract sign is the one in the middle. Okay, this second one, which is distribute the minus sign here, I just put it in quotes. You bring down the first expression, 4x plus 5. And then what you do is you say minus 2x minus 3. Basically what you're doing is taking the opposite of everything inside of here. Then you have this expression. We can combine like terms and you should get your answer. 4x and a minus 2x. 4x take away 2x is 2x. And then you have a plus 5 and a minus 3. 5 minus 3 is a positive 2 plus 2. Okay, so this one, you're kind of looking at it, you got a clear understanding. This one is if you're having a little trouble. And I expect a lot of you to be doing it this way for right now. Okay, especially when I start throwing a lot more negatives in here. So let's look at some more examples. I'm going to keep doing it the second way, that way you can at least see that work, and then you can compare your answer with mine. 7x minus 5 minus 2x minus a negative 1. Minus a negative 1 means plus 1. Put together like terms. 7x and a negative 2x is 5x. Negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4, so minus 4. And that would be your answer. Okay. I will leave, you know what, I'll do them with you real quick. 6x minus 4 minus 2x minus a negative 4 becomes plus 4. 6x's take away 2x's are 4x's. Negative 4, negative 4, and a positive 4, they end up canceling out, so you're left with 4x. That's it. That's your answer. All right, number 3, which I think is the last one here. Negative 3x minus 5. The first one stays the same. Minus a negative x means plus x. Minus a negative 1 means plus 1. Negative 3x plus x, that's plus 1x. You get negative 2x. Negative 5 plus 1 is a negative 4, so minus 4. Okay, again, we will practice a bunch of these in class if you're having a little difficulty. Part 2, word problems, your favorite. Yes, you are going to copy down all of the parts of the word problem into your notes so that you have clear and concise notes. The expression 9x plus 27 represents the total amount of money a band earned from selling however many CDs. So that's how much money they'll make. If the band had to pay this much money in expenses, what is an expression that represents their profit? Okay, so this is how much money they earn. This is how much money they have to spend in order to earn that. So we're going to subtract out our expenses to figure out how much money we've made. So they want, what is an expression that represents their profit. So we have to do 9x plus 27 minus the expression 3x plus 12. Bring down your first expression, subtract 3x, and also subtract the 12. Put together like terms, 9x minus 3x is 6x. Positive 27 minus 12, I'm looking at positive 15. Okay, so that would be the first answer. The second question says, if the band sold 125 CDs, that's your X CDs. So we sold 125 CDs, what was their profit? So what they want you to do is substitute that in to our expression we got from part A. So you do 6 times 125 plus 15. I'm going to break out the calculator. I have 6 times 125 plus 15, $765. So if they sold that many CDs, they will make in profit $765. That's it. Have a good night.